The Volkswagen is working. It's fine and alive. Remember, this is the one that had the compressor control valve, and I did not diagnose it. I just guessed. Well, with experience, knowing it's a Volkswagen and it's supposed to be broken anyway, so that's what they do. So I said, air conditioning wasn't working. The pressures were even. It's a Volkswagen. So I automatically said the control valve. I did not break out my control valve tester. I just said, get a control valve, put it on, and if it doesn't work, I won't charge you. So that's what I did to the shop on this one. So here's the control valve, right there. Right there. Right there. That's the connector. See that connector? It was just a snap ring holding it in, and a lot of water coming down because it's really cold. And this is where the body, see where this casting is right here? This is where the control valve goes in. It just comes straight out here. It just took a snap ring, push back the hose, a snap ring, take it out, pull it out, push in a new one, put a new rack, click it up. That easy and fast, real simple. And for this, all the shops are charging customers for compressors for no reason, ripping customers off. All you customers out there, your Hondas, your Toyotas, your Volkswagens, your Mercedes-Benz, and the dealer doesn't sell this part and they don't install, they sell you a whole compressor for $1,000, $2,000. All it is a $20 to $60 part. Of course, the shop's gonna have to mark it up, so just double that price, no big deal. It's cheaper than having to buy a whole compressor. The compressors are perfectly in excellent condition. The control valves are going out on them. So anybody who sells a compressor because of a control valve, that's the exact same thing as selling an engine because of a fuel injector. If somebody's that much of a rip-off artist, a thief, a scum-sucking lowlife, that they would sell a customer entire engine instead of a fuel injector, that's the same exact thing. You're selling a whole compressor just because of a little fuel injector. Same thing. Right.